Welcome Uneekor members, and we thank you for your continued support. For today, you will learn how to create multiple sessions, up to 5 sessions maximum, view ball and club data, which includes our optics videos that validates every swing, check your flight and dispersion pattern for each session, and export shot data to keep track of each session. Before we start, it is important to make sure you have properly installed, updated, activated, and calibrated your QED system. Let's jump right into it. First, double-click the Ignite icon on your desktop. The following window should appear once you double-click this icon. This is the initial launcher for the Ignite software. In this window, you will see 3 different settings. First is Screen Resolution and Windowed Mode Selector. You need to make sure the screen resolution setting matches the display settings on your computer and projector. Second, you can also choose to launch Ignite in windowed mode, where you can minimize and move the software if the box is checked. If you do not check the windowed box, Ignite will launch in full screen mode. The next setting is graphics quality. You do not need to change anything for this. Lastly, the Select Monitor option. You can have Ignite open to a specific monitor if you have extended display settings set on your computer. Click the play button to proceed. Once the loading screen clears, you will see the Create Session pop up in the middle of the screen. In this screen, you will need to click the New Club button on the right to add a new session. The purpose of this is to organize your shot data so you know what club was being used during the session. Once you click the New Club button, go ahead and select the specific club you are using for this session and add a description to know what this session was about. You can do it by date, club model, or ball type. You can also change the color for this session. This will be important for dispersion patterns and looking at averages. The bottom section is the club sticker function. You can choose the option for ball data only, sticker on, or sticker off. Once you have set your session parameters, click the Add button to proceed to the main home screen. Once you are on the home screen, there are plenty of features to go over inside of Ignite. In the very top left, you will see the Uneekor logo with the down arrow. Here you will be able to log in and sign up for myuneekor.com, where you will be able to manage your power swing cards. There will be a video in the future about that topic. To the right of that, we have the ready symbol or the no ball symbol. This is where the sensor will let you know whether it's reading a ball or not. As you can see, the sensor is not reading a ball right now. When it is, you will see a green ready sign. To the right of that, we have the club name and the settings for the session. We also have the name of the session right here. You will be able to add up to 5 sessions by simply clicking on the plus sign and going through the setup process again for your club. To the right of that, we have 5 more tabs. The first tab is the enlarged swing optics view window. We have the list view, which will show you all of your shots in the current session. The club view, which will show you your average for the current session. The settings tab, where you will be able to change individual settings, including your altitude. And we have the quit button, which will close the program. Now let's go over the main window of Ignite. Here you can see a sample shot, along with its data points. In the top left, you can see the club optics video and its subsequent replay video accompanied by its data points. With stickers on, the club data will be improved. To the right of that, you can see the mini driving range along with the data points under it. In the top left, you can see the front view, which is the view you are currently on, the side view, and the top view. We also have the Swing Motion tab, which will show you an enlarged version of your swing cameras or your web cameras. The Club Path video, which will again show you your club optics video. And the Physics panel, which will allow you to change the data points below your driving range by simply dragging and dropping your data points. Hopefully this helps you get started with your Ignite software on your QED launch monitor. Keep on the lookout for more information and content from your friendly support team.